Hello everyone. In this video, we'll walk you through deploying your MERN project on Render for absolutely free. Before we dive in, I have noticed that many programmers sometimes miss certain code while deploying projects to production. So to ensure you don't miss any crucial part, I encourage you to carefully watch the entire video. So let's learn and avoid common mistake together. So at first, we will open Chrome and search Render. And go to this first link. Here you have to sign in with your GitHub account. So just sign in with GitHub account. I have already logged into this Render account. You can see here. So after that you have to click on new tab and open your GitHub account. And here you have to create new repository. So click on new and give any name. I will give social application and select the private because we don't want anyone to access this file. After that, just click on create repository. So for now, just minimize this, and now we'll make our project file ready for productions. And from this point, I will guide you through each steps without speaking. So please follow my steps carefully. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments below. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.